Here's how you can access Google Gemini on iPhone. Google Gemini released the Google app for iPhone and iPad in February. Currently, there's no easy method to get the Google Gemini within Google's iOS app if you're not in a supported market. However, you can make a web app shortcut on your home screen. Gadinsider is here to guide you on how you can access the Google Gemini. Follow this step-by-step guide. Number 1. Navigate the gemini.google.com on your iPhone's web browser. Number 2. Once open, ensure you've logged in with a Google account and click the iOS share icon. Number 3. On the Ensuring Share card, scroll until you find Add to Home Screen. Number 4. Click Add to Home Screen. Number 5. After that, you'll be able to reform the shortcut's name before tapping Add in the corner of the screen. Number 6. A shortcut to the Google Gemini web app will live on your iPhone's home screen. Notably, the user's purpose for communicating with Gemini will change over time. Alphabet-owned Google is set to merge the experience on Android, and there are high chances that the Google app on iOS will easily be replaced with a standalone Gemini app. However, currently the company looks more engaged with creating its AI efforts than ensuring European Union regulators are happy.